Hey everyone, it's the Poverty Princess here. I'm cutting it close. It's New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's Eve to everybody. This is my Oreo cookie Dollar Tree deep fried cookie challenge. I wanted to see if my son, just for fun, would have been able to tell a difference between deep fried Oreos and Dollar Tree deep fried chocolate cream cookies. So, using my deep fryer, some shortening, and coating these cookies in pancake batter, which, by the way, is how you do make deep fried Oreos. I asked my son to try a few and give me his honest opinion as to which one is the real Oreo and which one is the Dollar Tree cookie, and how he could tell the difference.
Doesn't matter what side I start off with, or no?
No.
Alrighty.
But because my battery is down to 1, you might want to make it a little bit quick.
I definitely taste more batter than actual cookie.
And how's the flavor of the cookie in general?
Dull. There's not really that much filling in it.
Okay, now for the other one, the other side, how about that?
Well, let me try. I definitely taste the cookie.
Okay, now
I taste the filling too. There's actually a lot more filling in this than the other one.
Yeah, I see, it does. I didn't even really pay attention as I was deep frying it, but yeah, you're right. Okay, so your honest opinion, which one is the real Oreo cookie?
I'm gonna go with the right.
Well, guess what, Ronnie? You're correct. The right side is the real Oreo cookie.
Really?
Okay. Now, folks,
right.
no, that's cool. And I don't want anybody to think that this experiment or little challenge was a bust. So, what to take from this little Dollar Tree Oreo cookie challenge simply is that it's understandable you can taste a real Oreo from a Dollar Tree cookie just simply because it has a little more flavor. But that doesn't mean that the Dollar Tree cookies don't taste good. But the Oreos do have a little more filling and a little more flavor. Still, you can have a lot of fun with your kids or grandkids doing this with your family some night as a fun little project, making some deep fried cookies. And even if they aren't the real Oreos, it doesn't mean that you won't have fun, and it doesn't mean that they don't taste good. I just did this basically for fun. It wasn't meant in any way to be demeaning. And probably if your children are rather small, they're really not going to taste the difference between the Oreo cookies and the Dollar Tree cookies, thereby saving you a few dollars and also having some fun and making some good memories. So, on this note, in less than 25 minutes is going to be 2019. I just want to say Happy New Year to my subscribers, my friends and family, and for the occasional viewers. If there's any of my videos you do like, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I hope to see you all in 2019. Happy New Year. Bye.